Whatever you do, wherever you go, they're watching. Find out the latest in spy gadgets and surveillance cameras in Techie Talk.
High-resolution cameras, automated video recorders, and digital video recorders that can store up to 3 months' worth of videos. These are the latest in Philippine video monitoring and surveillance systems. Nugent Technologies, on the other hand, offers modern and user-friendly digital video recorders. These devices receive image input from the cameras and then record it for archiving and, of course, real-time video analysis.
The analog video signals will be converted to digital signals and then saved into your hardware, which can be a PC or a standalone DVR.
These DVRs are easily configurable thanks to a special software that is proudly Pinoy-made. It can survey areas very efficiently.
eMap is basically a bird's eye view of your office. So what you can do is just upload a JPEG to your DVR of your floor plan, and then you drag and drop the cameras to the proper places.
This feature allows the user to detect and examine activities or events in large locations such as a whole building.
What I'm showing you right now is a DVR that is installed to a relay and sensor board. Now, in this case, in this particular instance, the sensor is what we call a door contact, and the relay is the PTZ camera. So what it's supposed to do is that when the door opens and someone walks in, the PTZ camera will automatically face the door.
Another feature is motion detection. The device will virtually memorize an area, after which it will then be able to tell if there is an alteration of elements such as object positions and numbers. In a demonstration, this individual who purposely leaves his suspicious baggage will certainly not get away. Events and data such as these aren't just logged into the system. They can also be sent to you directly through a special notification system. These high-tech devices not only make life easier, they also make life more secure for all of us.